Welcome to another episode of Lifting Motors. Today, we're gonna be taking my new Ford Raptor out and doing some donuts, tearing it up out here, doing some off-roading. This is not a pavement princess. This baby's meant to be ran and ran hard, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fire it up today.
That's right, fire it up, boys.
Let's tear this thing up and have some fun. Got the green light.
Green light
from command.
Fired up. Oh shit.
Come on, boy, dig in.
There she blows. There she blows.
Fire it up. Fire it up.
So,
Okay, go ahead.
we're going.
You ready? Nick's been peeing his pants.
Oh, dude. You ready, dude?
Yeah, dude.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Lifted Motors. I know it was a little bit different. We didn't do much talking in this video, but we had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys had fun watching it as well. Please subscribe, like the video, comment down below. We already have our next video planned, and let's just say it's gonna be more on the pavement, less off-road, and a little bit faster. We'll pick up with you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. You saw my stories the other day. We took a truck out to do a video, and did some donuts. I'll show you the aftermath real quick. Let's just say we're gonna be needing some new tires. Just chewed those babies up. But it was fun, it was worth it.